Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to unbox my September's fab bag. So if you are interested in knowing what all we have in this month's fab bag, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I have the box over here. So September is their anniversary month, so we have some interesting products over here. So let's just quickly unbox all of them. Alright, so this is how I received the bag and we have one product over here, so let's just start with that only. So we have vitamin C face wash from the brand 24/7, like that's all the that's what mentioned over here. It is 50 ml product and retails for ₹180 rupees. And yeah, that's all. Yeah, it's just going to be a normal vitamin C face wash. So this is how it looks like as the close-up. So I haven't opened it yet. It's completely sealed pack, so I don't know how that's gonna smell and stuff like that, but yeah, this is the first thing and I'm really excited to use this one because vitamin C, I've been currently starting to use vitamin C in my skincare routine. So yeah, I'm super excited to use this one as well. Now let's just talk about the pouch over here. So this is how the pouch or the bag looks like, and it's in this pink color and it says 9 over here. Like I didn't realize it earlier, I just realized that it has 9 in print over here. That's because it's their 9th anniversary, so I'm just guessing that's why we have 9 written all over here, and the fab bag is written over here as well. So let's just quickly unzip this pouch and see what all we have. Alright, so the first thing I see here is from the brand Seba Matte. I've heard a lot of good things about this brand, specifically for baby products. So yeah, it's their moisturizing cream and it says it's with 2%, it's 2% vitamin E, and it's for sensitive skin, vitamin E, free radicals, and protects the elasticity of the skin. So this is how I just got the call from my fiance. Wait. Alright, so sorry for the disturbance. So this is definitely a sample size product, and it also says the pH value of 5.5 supports the function of the biological acid mantle. I don't know why. Yeah, okay, it's 5.5 healthy skin. So that's how the box looks like, and the actual product is like this small. It's very small. I think it will last only for like 2 to 3 days max, and it is 10 ml product. Now let's check the MRP of this one. So for the info card, we have in my FabBag contest card info card, and then we also have the product information card. It says the Shine 9 September bag. This is the theme of this month, and the Seba Matte moisturizing cream retails for ₹120. Now this month, if you participate and win the contest, you're gonna get the Revolution Pro Super Matte Lip Pigment in the Spiritual Bright Red, Foresight Rich Mulberry, and Adrent Warm Mid Pink. So this is the prize this time. So if you wish, you can go ahead and participate. Now the next thing I see here is in this Portly, and we have received such a pack like from Plum in our previous fab bags also. So let's see what we have this time. So this is the jute car bag, if you can see. So let's just open this. Now this kit actually retails for Plum mini kit. This is sample size kit and it retails for ₹289. So let's check out what all we have in here. Alright, so the first thing is Plum 24-hour hydration with vitamin E illuminates dip moisturizing cream. So again, we have a moisturizer cream from Plum, and it retails for ₹190 rupees. And let's try to smell this. It smells so good. It smells so good. I'm really excited to use this one. I think I'm gonna buy the bigger bottle as well. Sorry for the background noises, guys. My family is talking to somebody on the video call and I cannot help it. I cannot just ask them to shut up every time. So yeah, this is the first thing in this kit. Now the second thing. Alright, so we only have like 2 products in here. So the second thing is in this cute little container. It's again from the Plum, obviously, and this one is Simply Supple Cleansing Balm, and it's in the which variant? It doesn't say any variant, but it says it's for dry, normal, combination, and sensitive skin, which means pretty much for all skin type. Again, smells so good, and the texture also feels very balmy. Obviously, it is supposed to be a balm to clean your makeup and stuff like that. Now this one retails for ₹99, and I again think I'm gonna buy this one also in a bigger size because this looks promising, so I'm really happy to receive this one. Alright, so the next thing we have is from the brand Votre. We have Votre, I don't know. We have received their night cream as well and some other product in previous bags, and it's their under eye cream, and it's very little, like it's very, you know, cute little dabba. And this one retails for ₹12.99. Oh my god, this is so expensive. What all they have inside? It has carrot seed oil, amba, haldi, aloe vera, tulsi, wheat gram oil, vitamin E, almond oil. So yeah, I don't know why this is so expensive. Smells good. This is how that looks from inside. अंदर भी ये पूरी नहीं भरी हुई है. So like, how much do you weigh? Doesn't say how much it is. Like, it just says under eye cream for intense care, puffiness, fine lines, and dark circles. So yeah, this is the next thing. We have to like try this. Like, this has to work because it's super expensive, so I don't know how that's gonna work. We'll try this and put the review on Instagram or somewhere. Now the second and last thing is very cute. Trust me, it's so cute. It's from the brand called Bespoke Bubbles Berry Breeze Bath Bomb Crumbles, and this is how the crumble looks like. Oh my god. So this is how the bath crumble looks like. It's in this rainbow and all the unicorn colors. I really like it. I haven't used this yet. Obviously, it's completely packed. Now this one retails for ₹2.99, and you just have to take a spoonful of a bath bomb crumble and put it in a bucket or a tub and let the water run over it. The bubbles will form. So yeah, it's going to be a good, like, you know, self-pampering time. So very happy, very unique thing to receive in a fan bag. So this is the next thing. Now the final thing and my favorite product, and obviously the star product of this month, is their sugar box from the brand Sugar. It's their Contour de Force face palette, and I went for subtle summit shade. They obviously had the option, like you could choose from the different shade option, but I always wanted to get my hands on this particular palette. My sister-in-law Jinal has the exactly same one. I think she loved it, and I also like used it once. Like, I used her palette once, and I really wanted to get it for myself as well. So I'm so happy that FabBag this time sent us exactly what I needed. So this has this blush, we have highlighter, and also the contour. I'm not gonna swatch anything because I'm keeping this for something very special. So yeah, I'm not gonna touch the product. So this is the last thing in this month's FabBag. So I'm very happy with this month's bag as usual, specifically for the bath bomb crumble and the sugar cup palette. So yeah, so thank you so much FabBag for sending, and happy 9th year anniversary to you guys. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I will link all of my previous FabBag unboxing playlist in my description bar below, so don't forget to check that out. And I will put all the purchase link and all the price detail and everything in the description bar as well, so don't forget to check that out. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video, share this with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.